Okay, back today. Fire's going. Gonna put the gable ends on, right, Dad?
Yep. That's next. You want to go
Okay.
up there, I'll
Grab that screwdriver. Cool. Yeah, you gotta go in like phases.
Another thing about that, put the bird in the pile there, is the ashes will drip to the ground, so if you want to grow something.
Oh.
Right?
I didn't know that.
Yeah. Oh yeah. You sprinkle ashes on the garden.
Oh, good. I'm gonna go put some more twigs on here.
Nice and cool today.
It is. This is a perfect day. It's beautiful. We should have cut all those trees down on the hill before we built the cabin.
Yeah.
It's gonna be really sketchy cutting them down now.
Oh yeah, with them all laying there?
Huh?
With them all laying there?
No, with the building here.
Oh.
I don't know if it goes backwards. Any one of those.
Yeah. There's always a possibility.
Yeah. I'll just pick a day where the wind's blowing the right direction and...
What we'll do, I got a couple wedges at home. We back cut it. First we back cut it straight in. Pound the wedge in as far as it'll go. That puts a lot of pressure. You'd be surprised how much pressure that puts. Then you make your notch cut. Then you continue to slide it, it'll go the... Even if it's leaning the wrong way, it'll go the other way.
Okay.
But not if it's leaning a whole lot.
Yeah.
Okay, hang on a second. Let me get it started. While you're up there, I'll give you a cut piece for that.
Yeah.
And you can put the point in. You know, put the outside, you can put the outside.
What am I supposed to do up here?
Huh?
What am I supposed to do? Hammer?
No. Yeah, if you can hammer this down a little bit. See this one on my side?
Yeah.
If it can come down, just try it and see what happens. Probably nothing can happen. No, it's okay. It's okay.
I can kind of beat.
Now, if you can do this, it's just bouncing up. What I'll do, you can either push this one out or pull this one in. If you can put your foot on there or something. You push it out about a 1/4 inch so it lines up, and I'll get...
You want me to sit where?
Or no, just try to push it out. I could try to push it.
Push.
Can you push this one out or pull this one in? No? You know what, I might be able to pull it in.
I think a screw will pull it in.
I think so too.
I can try and do both a little bit.
Let's see here. Let's see. Hopefully I don't pop out the other side.
Yeah, that sucked it together pretty good.
Out at the bottom, but we'll put...
Oh, Dad, this is pretty... I can put one on this side and I bet you it'll...
Can you get one in there?
suck it. Oh, yeah.
Okay. Do that. But don't fall on your butt.
No guarantees there. If you hold it, I'll...
Yeah.
Didn't suck it in much, but...
No, it's okay. Strengthened it.
Okay.
Okay, we're going to put a 20 1/4 there. It's a 20 there. 20 on the bottom, 20 1/4 on the top. How's that weird? That's kind of weird.
Whole building's out.
Well, we'll build it. I'm gonna build it right in between. It'll be a 20 and an 1/8. How's that?
Yeah, I like that. Oh, I got it. Easy now.
Is it better without the gloves?
Mm-hmm.
Better without the gloves.
Yeah, I heard no grip.
Okay, flush it out there.
Over?
Now, is the bottom even flush? Are they both?
Mm-hmm.
Is it all the way down? Okay, let me see if I can hold it. Put that one down a little bit on the end. We're gonna see what it looks like when we're all done.
Right. I'm trying to make it to you. If you give me 2 seconds here.
I gotta go
You gotta spin it.
up with it.
You gotta flip it up.
Yeah. Hang on, I gotta do it one more step.
Yeah.
I got it. You want to get over?
I got her now. We're good. Okay.
Yeah, you might as well seat them. I think we're done. You can
Yeah, it looks good.
seat all. Make sure there's a seated, honey.
Yeah, it's okay.
So we should bring this. We should do this one at.
Oh. That OSB looks pretty good up there.
Yeah.
Coming together. The bottom will go even faster. It's not as sketchy.
Yeah. You got to put it real tight
Okay.
on that line, and I'll snap it.
Okay, she's pretty tight.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
I don't know if I can go any tighter.
Yeah, that looks good. Ready?
Yeah. %, done right there. Look at that. Super easy.
Okay, let's get the next one.
All right.
Try to get it from here. I wonder if it'd be easier to get it from on top.
Yeah.
If I'm standing on that.
The cleat.
This only has one? Oh.
I can knock that out if you want.
No, no, no. I'm thinking about standing on it and getting this one in the next 2 or 3 maybe.
I don't think that would be any easier than... What if I use my lanky arms and get in there?
Well, let's see.
I think I could get that.
Like this? Let's
Yeah.
move the ladder closer. I can
Or
get
just put it against the...
closer.
Yeah.
That'll get 2 done.
That's 20%. Almost a quarter way. Ready? Here. Get this next
Okay,
one.
it'll get you get sawdust in your eyes.
Okay.
I'll hold it up. It's off a little bit. It doesn't matter. I mean,
Yeah.
we're gonna make it. We'll adjust it. pretty dead.
Is it?
Yeah.
I swap it with the drill battery.
Oh.
Drill doesn't
Oh,
use
I
that
can
much
maybe
juice.
I can do a little bit more.
Well, you might as well. The cuts are worse though. And it's, the drill battery's brand new.
Where do you just check it?
Huh? On the back. 2 or 1? It's probably a 1.
I can't see anything.
No, push the button right on the face of it. We were looking right at the button. Yeah, it's right in there somewhere.
Oh, there's 2.
Press
There's
the battery.
2.
Is there?
Let's
Okay.
see if it again.
All right.
You only got 3 to go.
Yeah. Pretty good.
Boy, they do look right on. I'll tell you what. Looks like pretty darn close.
Do they?
Yeah. I think we're gonna have a nice fish on this.
I've been double checking all mine to make sure the line's the one that I'm. Yeah, the snap line works like a stream.
Yeah. You want to get it on your side?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Golly.
That wasn't a good cut, but
That
whatever.
is pretty good. Let's go.
You want it lengthwise or widthwise coming up at you? Okay. 1 sec. I got it. Okay, coming up for a sec. Need it up?
Yeah, for sure.
Are you 3 inches down up there?
About that.
Okay. I got another screw for you.
I need, that's all. Well, I'll put one in the top. We'll probably take it out.
Yeah.
Got it.
Looks pretty good.
Have to.
Kind of weird getting that guard, hey?
It's not, it's awkward.
That's pretty good.
Is this
Pretty
battery
good.
dying?
Could be. I got a new one.
What?
You're way off now.
Oh, I am?
Yeah.
Oh.
Ran out a little bit at the end. I'm gonna move the ladder.
Move the ladder,
Yeah.
yeah. That'll do.
Oh, oh, oh. Yes. I don't think she has much wolf left in her yet. Bunch of idiots.
I want a new owner.
Yeah.
That'd be crazy. Let me break it. That way you can see what you're doing. All right, the rest of it looks good?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah, if anything, it's too flush.
that's not too perfect. Okay, so.
Let's get that other board up here. Well, how many? I have to cut that one in 2 feet, right?
Well, yeah.
2 foot lengthwise. Got the sheeting on the front up, trimmed the sides of the USB. Except for this one. Are we gonna trim this one, Dad? The front? The OSB on the front? Like trim the...
Do you want to?
No. We don't have to, I feel like.
If you want.
I don't think it matters.
It's going to be a hard one to do. You have to do it off the whole thing off the ladder, which...
Yeah, and we're gonna put that other
It only has
roof
to be
on.
done from here back.
Oh yeah, we trimmed this. These were 16 inches, right? These overhangs?
Yeah.
Is that including the faceplate?
Yeah, I can't remember. 22 inches, I think.
22 inches, okay. So that one is shorter than this one.
If you want, we can trim this up, honey. I don't mind getting up there and doing it.
No, no. I'm just saying for the video.
I think.
That's all.
Oh. Well, I think it's once you get the deck on here, we can do all that little stuff next year.
Yeah.
Even with the bitchetane, I just go through the bitchetane and cut the edge off.
Yeah. Yeah, I agree. On the back, we decided to extend the 2x6s to a wall. I don't know how tall the wall would be. Hey, Dad? A couple feet? Like extend the 2x6s down to like a 2-foot wall or something like that?
Well, yeah. No less than 4, I would say.
Okay.
I don't know if this stuff is what we want. This wasn't bitchetane. It doesn't look like this stuff I'm familiar with.
Oh. Well.
We're going to put it on there. Doesn't
Okay. Yeah, it's here now. Anyways, we're going to put on whatever this stuff is to weather it in.
I'll just reach under and cut that last little bit.
Okay, so we're cutting a 10-foot section. This is what it calls for.
Okay.
And where's the slevage, Dad?
Slevage. It's in the outhouse.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we got to keep the sticky side out of the dirt.
Yeah. All right. Has an edge on it so that this is the top, this is the bottom.
Maybe we should be on cleaning the inside and roll it in the inside and not. I don't like doing it on the dirt here.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
We'll just sweep the inside off and.
Well, let's get this one up.
Yeah. Can you blow that off by?
Yeah.
Blow it my way. Now what we got to do is put. Here, roll this back up again if you can. I'm going to come right down to you. Here.
Hold on.
I'm going to have to come over and pull that from you. It's a 2-man job. Believe it, I did this myself on the cabinet, same pitch.
Piece of cake.
Pull that out. Pull all that out. Pull it. Now this is supposed to stick. Yeah. Okay, let's stick that down. Are we at about 10 here? 10? No, I think we have to come my way to get 10. You're going to have to roofie nails for this?
No, I think it's sticky. I think you need to give it some time.
Stick the thing.
All right, well.
I wonder why they have it in 2 pieces like that.
I think maybe we should read the directions.
Always a good idea.
Yeah. Well, let's try and stick this one down, see what happens.
Well, we don't have any.
You're not even rolling it accurately there.
Oh, it does stick.
Yeah.
No, we're too far that way, honey. We got to come this way. We're never going to make the end.
Yeah, we will.
No, 10 feet. It's 8.
16.
It's 10 feet.
Yeah, I guess. Yeah, you're right. You're right. Okay.
Not even more, I think. Okay, get on the other side of me.
Okay. Well, why not just start it over there then? Oh yeah, we got lots.
Okay, so maybe I should pull it this way like that.
Yeah.
Okay, hang on. Now.
Are we straight here?
You got to go up, I think. Are you flush?
I think I'm.
Well, let me go down a little bit. Hang on, I can see some ripples in there. We're off a little bit. We're just a little high here. Either that or see that plywood isn't straight. That's the problem. We're going to have to do it a little.
I think this is why we do it in 10-foot sections.
Yeah.
Hey?
Yeah, so
we can kind of correct it a little bit.